If you're an artist who wants to do a YouTube, this video is for you. This video will help you to realize the things you need to do as an artist to make YouTube work for you. So this is my first video. This will be about myself and my plans for the future. Why this YouTube channel will become successful. I have a 5-point strategy that I've implemented, and I'm hoping that I can see this plan out. So I invite you guys to join me, and we'll see if this channel gets monetized within the next 5 months. I give myself 5 months to see if this works, and you can watch the journey along with me. So the first point is planning and strategy. This is research, which means comparing channels, seeing other channels that I want to be like. So basically, I like Ethan Becker. I like Mohammed Agbadi, I think his name is. These are art channels. So my channel is an art channel. I'm going to do drawing tips and pricing artwork tips, commissions, working with Upwork and freelance websites, tips for you to succeed in art. So I compared myself to other art channels and checked out what they're doing, and I'm going to try to emulate as much as I can while making this my own original channel. Tip number 2, video structure. So the important thing with video structure is you want to jump right in. You don't want to have a long intro that's kind of like long-winded and not getting to the point. You want to jump right in, or at least skip forward to a little bit to the most interesting part of the video. Skip forward to a little bit to the most interesting part of the video and tease what's coming up. Then you want to have the most important tip at the very end so that people stick around, so you get the watch time. We'll see if this works. Tip number 3, follow-up videos. So basically, you want to have, your main video. Then you can have videos after, either talking about growth, talking about how things have changed, differences between what might have been from the last video and the next video, and also recommending other videos that may tie into some topics that you're talking about in this video. So for this will be my welcome page video, and I'll point people towards this video because most people will want to have their own YouTube channel. So this is a good video to point back to with other videos. And the 4th tip, value. This whole video is about tips on making a YouTube, and I'm talking about the art tips I will give in the future. This video is not about that. So this video doesn't have any art tips right now. But if you're an artist who wants to do a YouTube, this video is for you. This video will help you to realize the things you need to do as an artist to make YouTube work for you. So that's the value that this video creates and the value that my future videos will create. Another point, presentation. I bought this camera like 2 weeks ago. I had a Zoom interview for a teaching job that I didn't get, but I wanted to, I have a laptop that I use, which has a camera on it, but for the most part, I use my gaming PC as my computer, and I don't have a camera on this computer. So I bought a little webcam, and I'm using that. So this isn't some high-end equipment that I'm using to do this YouTube. This is very minimal investment that I'm making, and we'll see what happens, how it works. But the presentation, I'm doing lighting. I used to work in video editing and media, so I know like lighting tips, and I know like editing styles. So I'll use that to make my presentation better than just having a regular camera. And the most important thing that I will tell you is the title and thumbnail. So the title for this video is why this channel will succeed. It's a very bold statement, and I'm taking a risk at posting it, but what have I got to lose? I can either do it and it doesn't work, but I wouldn't have lost anything, or I can do it, it succeeds, and it proves my title right, which means that more people will come back to this video saying, oh, wait, you know what? This YouTube actually succeeded. Like, this is his first video, and he's being, like, very, like, oh, I'm going to do this. So I think it's a good mindset to have, that this YouTube channel will succeed, and this is why you should watch it. So thank you, guys. If you like this video, just come back and watch some more. You know, I'm going to have some videos like this in the future. Most of them will be art-based, but I will have some YouTube monetization videos and YouTube tips and guides just to show you what I've been doing and how it's been working for me. So thank you, guys. See you later.